Watch. For the world, it's not a plan. Watch what go on, man. Carefully. Hey, a franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. You don't know what go already when I come for representing full effective. You know what go? I'm load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me now, man. Hey, yo, are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Hey, watch this now, man. The most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? See it there in a Gaza nation. See it up on the right side of my chest, you know, the unstoppable business, you know. You know what I mean? I run away train and it come to Gaza thing, you know. So, what she say, like them farmer cool. You see what I deal with? So them I try for overthrow, you see what I deal with? Yeah. A long time them I try, you know. Many try and fall by the waist side, you know. You know what I mean? Because one thing I know, no 1 or 2 years worth of plan can't overthrow no king. You see what I deal with? It take decades worth of plan for do that. No lollipop thing as a nation. I sip on a coffee, you know. And I sparse up a Marlboro before me even go in on it, you know. Because you know, say me a concrete stepper. So anytime I step anything will shake you out there, you know it a go broke off. And you know, a lollipop thing. You see what I say? So right about now, them a do everything in a them position for try tarnish the boss career and tarnish the boss legacy. But them can't do it because everything what them a do, I be a fucker. Them da do nothing constructive. And all of them a chat about, all know it not add up. You see what I deal with? The maths can't add up all now. Because here what go on. The man them say vybz kartel fall off. And all of the artists them are affiliated with Gaza. And when you check Spotify, trend, when you check Spotify, all of the artists them, included vybz kartel himself, are dominate. The artists them of vybz kartel do collaboration with them. The whole of them monthly listeners step up to a big capacity, bigger than before them even start do song with vybz kartel. You see what I say? And I'm not joking. So that means vybz kartel I set the youth them and I give the youth them a nice strength. You see what I say? Not just locally but all on some international market. You see what I deal with? Just check the thing now, man. And if you see a man fall off, look how much man they out the road. Because remember vybz kartel they are prison, you know. And look how much man out the road. But you not try to throw no word pan no man out the road. No, do not this song against no man out the road. A vybz kartel, you don't want to do this song for and throw a word off. That means you know, see a vybz kartel a dancehall. If you have to go that in a if you have to go in a jail, if you have to go in a prison, should say, for go throw this song and throw a word off a man we're in there. Now that means you're not in the dancehall, you look like dancehall in a prison. I'm not talking a fool way. Dancehall have it in a prison. If you see how much man they out the road, you see what I deal with, and you not go out there for them. And you not throw no dish song at them. Now you not throw no word at them, and you are go in a prison. For a man with in a prison go throw this song off of him. And you are only say a trending artist, or only say a big top artist and them shit. Then dancehall no must in a prison. I must in a prison dancehall, you know. Yeah, but the more you talk, the more foolish you sound. Believe me, you know what I mean? Yeah, because there ain't no way you could be a big top artist and una say man fall off and una run the place. And every music what una do trend and all of them fuck they wanna chat and them shit there. And still after I throw this song off a man way in a prison, that mean dancehall in a prison then. Me no need no boy to tell me nothing. Dancehall after in a prison. You see what I deal with? No gimmicks thing about it, Gaza nation. No gimmicks not in my game, you know. You don't know the thing go already, you know. So when I talk, me ain't no lollipop thing, you know. A real thing me I talk about. You see me? The man there in a prison, and in a prison, you know go for man. Man got to throw this song off. How much man the out the road? Dancehall in a prison then, Gaza Nation. You don't need no boy to tell you nothing. You know? You know I go up on it. And you know, say, before you clock in, you have to test the temperature and them shit there. I can't go in the building without no mask. So I strap on my mask on. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, Gaza Nation. You see what I'm saying? So if the man fall off like what them I said, and boy take over what them claim say, and them I do it. Why them I do this song and them shit the half of the man? You know what I mean? None of them numbers. Neither on Spotify and on no international chart where you have can't come to Vybz Kartel numbers. I'm not ask you, tell me, I tell you. You know what I mean? What's up, man? Good, you? Alright. See you in a Gaza Nation. You see it? I forgot to test my temperature now.
Come closer, please.
You here to talk to me? What you have about?
Temperature detected is normal. Come closer, please.
So you see, me nah you see, me nah COVID-19 governation. My temperature detective is normal. You have to take your temperature before you can go clock in and a lollipop thing. The building you run underneath lollipop thing. You see what I say? Yeah. Yeah, man. No lollipop thing, Gaza Nation. I still have to fill out the paper before I go before I can go upstairs. So when I hear some boy attack and see me up on the street and believe at some form I go thing me and them not even know how I go in Gaza Nation. Say, 8 hours the general have a clock in for. I'm going at the end of the day, I smile, is it? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. No formal lollipop thing Gaza Nation. You see what I say? Boy, I try to feel like them can. Boy, mess with the world boss integrity. Eh? Clowns. Oh, what? Crazy. Look on the numbers them who are going. Boy, I talk about collaboration are good. People I talk about Vybz Kartel a drop too much song. Let me tell you something, man. Different strokes for different folks, man. You know what I mean? It's not every nation of people jump up over the same way, man. No, and nothing like that, man. You know what I deal with? You have to have spice. It's all about spice, man. And it's all about different variety, man. You know what I deal with? And it's all about choices. Because you have to give people that. And that Vybz Kartel do. Give the people them choices and music for them like. You see what I deal with? No gimmicks in the end of it, Gaza Nation. You see what I deal with? It's not every music where we jump up for you hear some people jump up for. You know what I mean? You have some music where the man them even condemn and can't believe say well then them music they hit. Look on all the music like Color of My Life. You know hear them music they play hard in a Jamaica and people are talk about them music, but that's still them music that big hit song over the world. You see what I deal with? You can go check out the numbers them and look on it and say for gimmicks thing. No gimmicks now in Gaza Nation. A real thing I talk about. You see what I deal with? So that's why you can't just do one set of music and feel like so well then yeah reach a larger a larger group of people out there. So me I deal it. People take on to any and anything. So at that Vybz Kartel, give them a bunch of music where them can choose from. Cause not everybody like the same shit. And then a gimmicks thing. You see what me I deal with? No, me I got clock in Gaza Nation. No joke shit. But I can't show the way how my clock in. Shift start. You see me? I can't show the way how my clock in. You see what I deal with? Yeah, my number that for clock. But I will take it off now because it will show my name. And I ain't not that. You see me? No boy can't know me. The boy not supposed to know my name. No lollipop thing, the general in. Woyoy. Woyoy. Alright. You see what I say, Gaza Nation? No boy at all not supposed to sit when man a clock in. It's not supposed to happen like that. You can't see my name. But me I say, all of who you hear I talk about, yeah. Kartel I do too much song and way. You know why? Them want the DJ for slow down for to feed them artist space. Vybz Kartel never work off our next individual yet in a dancehall. Vybz Kartel no work them way the dog. Vybz Kartel a trendsetter. Vybz Kartel now go sit down and wait. Like what phone artists do. Vybz Kartel not in a them shit there. Vybz Kartel I go tear up the track. This is where I deal with. And I saw them man they used to it. So all on there they are chat. We know we want the man cool long and second long so no artists can look like them can catch up to the pace of how Vybz Kartel blaze the trail. Nothing like that now go on. Vybz Kartel not take 1 or 2 months for drop a song. That can't happen. You talk about 10 songs in trace all 2 months. That's them way the Vybz Kartel work, my brother. You see me, that are the man style. The man don't know how to do nothing else. The man have a passion for music. Them artists have hype. You see what I deal with? That's why them can't maintain the hype what them have. And one time them can't maintain it, this is the reason why you see them have to call Vybz Kartel name. Right now, nothing now go on for the artists them, you know. And the 6 them are run things with them big bad rhythm right now, you know. You see what I deal with? And Vybz Kartel and you know the rest of artists them who do them thing, you know. You see what I deal with? Like the Massacre and the Governor them and the Dexter Daps them artists they still prominent, you know, do them thing, you know. But the artists them from the MVP side are just Jamil Light a shine pan right about now, you know. Remember, you know, is a crew, him a fair run go farm off of him own, you know, because the MVP mash up, you know. And him a use ready-make artists, you know, because the artists them, where him used to hype up himself, you know, the Sashi Coolest and all them fuck artists there, you know, no name and couldn't do it, you know. Yellow me, where I say?
I left some food for you, brother, here.
Huh?
I left some food.
Where?
Come here.
Yeah, see what I deal with? Yeah, the Sashi Coolest and all of them boys when they hear the match up about.
Over here. It's very good. Just warm it up like 1 minute and you're gonna see there. It's very good food. It's like my traditional. Yeah, I'm serious. It's good. I'm serious. You don't believe me?
No. I'm not touching Gaza Nation. We don't eat nothing about Caribbean food. You're supposed to know that. But we're not going to try to be rude. You hear that? So, right about now, as we say, we're not going to slow down the pace. You see what I'm dealing? We're not slow down the pace to suit nobody. See the Gaza Nation, the unstoppable runaway train. See the Gaza Nation, the anchor will hold the big ship out at sea. Remember me, they tell you and say that the Gaza link them tougher than the iceberg where broke Titanic. You don't know we not easy, you know, high grade my smoke. We not born baby. Watch me, man. The general, the 10 star wanna represent na full effect. What? Yo, hear me, man. Hey, Gaza way, you know. There ain't no other way. Watch me. A 10 star, the general, choosing one. Watch.